Welcome. The topic of this video is solving an equation written in factored form. Okay, let's go ahead and look at an example question. We're asked to solve open parenthesis y minus 7 end parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis y plus 2 end parenthesis is equal to 0. Now, for an explanation of how we can solve this problem. For a product of expressions to equal 0, at least one of the expressions must be equal to 0. So, for a times b to equal 0, either a has to equal 0 or b has to equal 0. So, now let me start by rewriting the expression we're given. Open parenthesis y subtract 7 end parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis y plus 2 end parenthesis is equal to 0. Now, by the property above, we can go ahead and also say that, well, y minus 7 is equal to 0, or y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, finally, we just want to go ahead and solve these equations for y. So, in my first equation, I have y minus 7 is equal to 0. I just add 7 to each side, and I end up with y equals 7. For my second expression, y plus 2 is equal to 0. I just subtract 2 from each side, and I end up with y equals negative 2. So, of course, the answer is y equals 7 or y equals negative 2.